Okay, Lucas, quick question. Do you like making phone calls?
No. No way. I hate it.
Right? It's really scary.
Yeah, it is. I just text. I text everyone.
Exactly. But if you are learning English, phone calls they're like a monster
A monster? Wait, why a monster?
because you can't see the person. It is like talking in the dark.
Oh, right. No hands, no face.
Yes, no smiles to help you understand, just words.
That is really hard. I get it now.
So today on English Pod Center, we are going to fix this.
Oh, good. Please fix it.
We will make it easy. We will learn a simple phone call today.
Simple is good. I like simple.
Okay, so step 1, the start of the call, the ringing.
Ring, ring.
Yes, you pick up the phone. What do you say?
Hello?
Yes, just hello. Keep it easy. But what if you call an office?
Oh, hello? I want to talk to Bob.
Close. It's a little strong.
Strong? Like mean?
A little bit. It sounds like you are angry.
Oh, no. I don't want to be angry.
Instead, you say, "Hello, may I speak to Bob, please?"
May I speak to Bob, please? That is nice.
Very nice. Or even easier, is Bob there?
Oh, is Bob there? I like that one better.
Yeah, it is very casual, very normal.
So wait, I call, they say hello, I say, is Bob there?
Perfect. Now, what if you are Bob?
Wait, I am Bob now?
Yes, you are Bob. Someone asks, "Is Bob there?" What do you say?
Yes, I am Bob.
You can say that, but native speakers say something weird.
Uh-oh, I don't like weird things.
They just say one word. They say, "speaking."
Just speaking? That makes no sense.
I know. It means Bob is speaking right now.
Oh, speaking. Like I am the one talking.
Yes. So let's practice. Ring, ring. Hello, is Lucas there?
Speaking?
Boom, perfect. You sound like a native.
Wow, that was fast. Speaking. I love it.
Okay, now what if Bob is not there?
He went to the bathroom.
Yes, he is in the bathroom or busy.
I say, no, Bob.
No, Bob is funny, but you should say he is not here right now.
He is not here right now. Okay, that is easy.
Right. And then you say, "Can I take a message?"
Wait, take a message? Like take a paper?
Yes, like writing it down. It means, do you want to tell him something?
Oh, so I take the words and give them to Bob later.
Exactly. It's like being a mailman for Bob.
A mailman. Okay, I get that. I am Bob's mailman.
Right. So let's try it. You are the mailman.
Okay, ready.
Hello, is Bob there?
He is not here. Can I take a message?
Yes. Perfect, Lucas. You're a great mailman.
Thanks, Luna. So, what do you say next?
Well, I'll say, yes, tell him to call Luna.
Okay, wait. Tell him to call Luna. That's easy.
Right, but what if you don't know me?
Oh, I say, who are you?
You can, but it's a little rude.
Rude? Like bad?
Yes, like angry. Who are you? Sounds scary.
Oh no, I don't want to be a scary mailman.
Right. So you say, "May I ask who is calling?"
May I ask who's calling? That's long.
It's long, yeah, but it's very polite. Very nice.
May I ask who's calling?
Exactly. Or you can just say, "Who's calling, please?"
Who's calling, please? Oh, I like that. It's short.
Yep. It's like offering someone a cookie. You say, "Please."
I love cookies. Okay, so I say, who's calling, please?
Right. And I say, "This is Luna."
Wait, this is Luna? Not I am Luna?
Good question, Lucas. On the phone, we usually say, this is.
Really? That's so weird. I know. It's like, this voice is Luna.
This voice. Okay, let me try. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, who's calling, please?
This is Luna. Can I speak to Bob?
Bob isn't here. Can I be his mailman? Wait, no.
No. You say, "Take a message."
Ah, can I take a message?
Yes, please. Tell him Luna called.
Okay, got it. Wait, Luna, how does Bob call you?
Ah, he needs my number.
Yes. How do I ask for the number? Give me your numbers.
No, Lucas, that's a robbery.
A robbery? Oh my God.
You sound like a bad guy in a movie.
Give me your numbers. Okay. What's the nice way?
You ask, can I have your number?
Can I have your number?
Or, what's your phone number? That's very easy.
What's your phone number? Yeah, I know that one.
Perfect. So I say, my number is 555-1234.
555-1234. Okay. Do I just say bye now?
Almost. You need to make sure the number is right.
Make sure? How?
You say it again, like a parrot.
A parrot, like the bird?
Exactly. Parrots repeat things. You repeat the number.
Oh, okay. So I say, okay, 555-1234.
Yes, and I say, that's right.
And then we say goodbye?
And then we say goodbye.
Wow, a phone call is a lot of work. Mailman, parrot.
It's like a whole zoo, but you're doing great.
Thank you. Let's practice the parrot part.
Okay, my number is 987-6543.
Okay, so that's 987-6543.
Perfect parrot.
Squawk.
I'm a good bird.
You are the best bird, Lucas.
Thank you. Wait,
What is it?
what if the person is not there?
Ah, good question. What if they do not answer?
Yeah, like I call and no one is home.
Right. Then you leave a message.
Leave a message?
Yes. It's like putting a small note on their door.
Oh, like a paper note?
Exactly, but with your voice.
Okay, voice note. How do I say it?
You ask, can I leave a message?
Can I leave a message?
Yes, very good.
Wait, can I say, can I make a message?
No, not make. We say leave.
Leave, like go away?
Kind of. You leave the words there.
Oh, I leave the words and I go away.
Yes, you put the words there.
Okay. Can I leave a message?
Perfect. Now, what if you answer the phone?
Me? I say hello?
Yes, but the caller wants your mom, and your mom is out.
Oh, I say, Mom is gone.
You can say she is not here.
She is not here. Okay.
And then you say, can I take a message?
Take, but I don't want it.
Lucas, you have to take it
Why do I take it?
because you will give it to your mom later.
Oh, right, like catching a ball. I take it.
Yes, you catch the words.
So I am a coucher now, not a parrot.
You are a parrot and a catcher.
This is so hard, Luna.
No, you are doing great. Let's practice.
Okay, I am ready. Ring, ring.
Hello? Is Lucas there?
Wait. No, I am Lucas.
Oh, right. Let's try again. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hello? Is John there?
No, John is not here.
Good. Now ask me.
Can I take a message?
Yes. Please tell him Luna called.
Tell him Luna called. I take the words.
You did it. You caught the ball.
Wow, that was actually easy.
See? Not too hard.
But wait, what if I don't have a pen?
Oh, that is a big problem.
Right? How do I take the words with no pen?
You say, hold on, please.
Hold on? Like grab the phone tight?
No, it means wait.
Oh, wait, hold on. I like that.
Yeah, so you just say, hold on, let me get a pen.
Hold on, let me get a pen. Okay.
Exactly. Or like, just a minute.
Just a minute. Wait, is that good?
Yes, it is very good. Very polite.
Okay, so I hold on, I get the pen, I write the message.
Right. You did the hard part, Lucas.
But wait,
What is it now?
how do I stop the call?
Stop the call? You mean like end the call? Yes, end it. Do I just say, okay, bye, and click?
No. Do not just click.
Why not? I have the message. The game is over.
Oh, nice. Okay, Luna, how am I nice? You say, thank you for calling.
Thank you for calling.
Yes, or you can say, I will tell him you called.
I will tell him you called.
Perfect. And then what do you say at the very end?
Goodbye forever.
No, just goodbye or bye.
Oh, right, not forever. That is scary.
Yeah, very scary. Just a simple talk to you later is good too.
Talk to you later. I like that one. It is friendly.
It is like a happy dog waving its tail.
A dog on the phone. That is funny.
So let's practice, Lucas.
Wait, right now?
Yes, right now. I am the caller. Ring, ring.
Oh boy. Hello?
Hi, can I speak to John, please?
He is not here right now.
Good. Can I leave a message?
Hold on. Let me get a pen.
Wow, that was great.
Really? I did it?
You did it. You caught the ball, threw it back. Perfect phone call.
Wow, I am a phone master now.
You are, see? Phone calls are not scary.
They're just a game of catch.
Exactly. So what about you guys listening?
Oh, yeah, the listeners.
What do you say when you pick up the phone?
Do you say hello or do you say, something else?
Yeah, try it today. Call a friend. Practice the game.
Just don't say goodbye forever.
Right. Please do not say that.
Just a simple bye.
Well, that is all for today's class.
Oh, already? That was so fast.
Time goes fast when we have fun.
It really does.
Don't forget to like, subscribe to us.
Yes, subscribe to English Pod Center.
We will be back with more easy English for you.
So talk to you later.
Talk to you later, everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye.